Good morning. Today we are going to see how to build a VPN site-to-site between Palo Alto and AWS. So it's very easy. Look this. This is still my lab. Then will be changed soon because related to the message I posted on LinkedIn and here on YouTube, I will going to show you how to build the VPN site-to-site with AWS, but with no downtime when the firewall switch over and then have to rebuild the tunnel and the BGP neighborship again. But this is another story, and I will show you on the next video. So anyway, in this case, only this firewall is on. Of course, panorama, the switch, and the traffic to internet with behind the NAT. For do this, if you want to do it, you have to open on your firewall this port, UDP 500 and UDP 4500. So, okay, now let's check AWS. Of course, the VPN here, it's already built, but I show you anyway how to do it because I can show you. You see, tunnel is up and everything is up, but no worries, no worries. So, first of all, you need to create your VPC under virtual private cloud. This one is not mandatory, to be honest. In this case, it's just for the future test, because this one you need when you build your own VM, for example, on cloud. Otherwise, it works anyway. This is up to you. I'm showing you how I did. So you need to go here, your VPC, create VPC. I just created 2 subnet, but you can create one or more than one, up to you. And you give a name, like a subnet, for example, 03. Then here you need to specify the IP address, then the network. So the network ID 2.0/24, for example, and create a VPC. Again, VPC, and you will see here my subnet 1, 2, and 3. So at this point, you have to go, scroll down here, customer gateway, and you have to create one. In this case, as I said, there is already one, but you can I'm going to create another one. So create on the, just a second, on top right, click create custom gateway. You have to give the name, of course, custom gateway 02, or you can call any name you wish. BGP ASN, you need to find the free number. For example, you can use, if you want, this number here, 64,000. This one, for example, this one is the first available and the private ASN. Then we can use. This one is already in use in my network, so I should put this one. Actually, 14. Then here you need to type your public IP, to be more precise, the public IP of the other site. In this case, will be my public IP. If you need to find your public IP, my IP, of course, and this is my public IP. Just copy and paste here. Oops, it's not actually copied. Copy. So the rest you can leave everything like this. You don't need to add anything else. So, and create your gateway. Now, let me check. Yeah, okay then. So at this point, go to here. Virtual private gateway. And you have to create your virtual private gateway. So give a name like virtual gateway, custom AS number. This one will be like before, 64514, sorry, 5, because this one will be the other side. And create this one called 03, create another one. Is actually is let me see, is it just remove the other one? Yeah, okay then. Okay, no problem. So at this point you select this one, go here, actions, and attach to VPC. If you scroll down, you have your subnet 1, 2, 3, and just add one subnet because I don't need one. Okay then. Give in this case have to add the 3. It's strange because okay, and you see here state attaching. Okay, in the meantime he's attaching the subnet. Scroll down and click site-to-site VPN connections. Even in this case, I have the tunnel already done, of course. So you have to create a new VPN connection. Just click create VPN connection top right. Give a name, then VPN 007. This one a virtual private gateway or transit gateway or not associated. So it's a virtual private gateway. In this case, you have to select your virtual gateway. In my case, it's a 01. I'm going to select the 03 just for the test. I'm not going to create another one, but just for show you. Customer gateway, new. Here, again, you have to copy and paste your public IP. Then this one empty. This one will be the remote AES. In this case is actually mine is 13. Let me see just for confirmation, but I think so. Just let me see here. BGP 13, yeah. And here, if you have, in this case, if you're using a BGP, you just leave like this BGP. Otherwise, it's static, and then you have to fill up this one. So static IP prefix, etc. Cancel. Then, when it's done, the only things you have to do on top, download configuration, and then here you have to choose your firewall, for example, Cisco. Then you see AESA 5500, etc., etc. Or in my case, PaloAlto. So PA series, okay. So basically, if you choose the first one and the last one, you have the configuration already done. So technically, just a copy and paste. Copy and paste on the console of PaloAlto. Or otherwise, you choose GUI, like I did, and download. When you download the file, it will be like this. You receive this file for a configuration of first tunnel and the configuration of the second tunnel. So basically, this one is how to set the VPN site to site to AWS. So it's very, very easy. And under network, of course, virtual router, IPsec tunnel, you will see the VPN tunnel is up. So for me, it works. For today, it's everything. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if the video is helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel, etc., 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 as usual, because I try to grow up with my channel. Thank you.